When you are playing this song, it's the fourth song of Suzuki Book 1. You have these notes going up, and then the challenge part, it sounds a little scratchy. It sounds... There's elements that happen there, and in order to prevent that, you need to flatten the 4. And that's what I mean by these two notes here. So you take your 1, we're on the G, and then you take this fourth finger and let it flatten across the A. So essentially you're actually playing with two parts of your finger. You're playing with the tip on the G, and then you drop it and you're playing with more interior on the inside of the forefinger on the D. And the faster you do it, this is a very common technique that is used throughout cello music. Here's an example of the flattened finger right here and here. See the 2-2? And you know it is a flattened finger because it's two different strings, same finger. And you're going to ask yourself, can you bar? And if you cannot bar, can you flatten it? And because the first note here doesn't allow for you to bar, I can't bar my second. It's just physically impossible. If I really go in, I may be able to bar, but I can't bar my second. I'm playing the -1 there, so my second finger needs to go 2-2. And how you do that, you flatten it. So flattening the fingers, we learned that technique here in Song of the Wind. And of course, you do that twice. The clue is, last bit, I'll tell you, is the fact that you have what? Two notes on different strings, yet the fingering is the same.